there, and welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. This is Beryl Stokes, and we are doing Cajun Cooking Made Easy. This is our Back to Basics series, and tonight I'm doing a one pot similar to an Octoberfest, but we'll call this one a Louisiana Fest because we're going to use some Louisiana beer, some Louisiana sausage, and put this all together. So let's get started. So right here I have some already smoked andouille sausage or a mild Cajun sausage. So I'm just kind of cutting it into quarters so it's into smaller bits. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I have some thick cut bacon. I'm going to cut these into some smaller bits so that I can brown this. And all we do is turn the quick cooker onto Sear. Right there, the very first one, it automatically comes up with 20 minutes. So I'm going to press start and it'll start to heat up this pot. And I'll render this bacon and we'll have some yummy, tasteful bacon fat to flavor up all these vegetables. So we'll do that. It'll take me a few minutes. And so I need a half a cup of beer. Just a half a cup. Gives us some good liquid and it'll absorb some of this browning at the bottom here. Stirred. So I have a quarter cup of mustard. That's going in here. This is making all our yummy flavors before I add all this other stuff in there. I've got 2 pods of garlic. I just sliced them because I like them. I like to see them. If you don't like to see them, use the minced kind. Stirring that up. So I got all my sausage. Let's put that and that. I had 3 medium carrots. So I peeled those and then I cut them with this cute little crinkle cutter. So that makes it fun. So it just went like this. And I cut them all into these little slices. So that'll cook up nice. So I'm just going to dump that in. And I also had some celery. I love celery, like in a stew. All right. 8 ounce or 1 cup of beef broth. I love to buy these little ones for when I need it for something like this. Oops, I forgot this. This is my salt, Tony Chachere's, and black pepper, just a half a teaspoon of each. So let's get our lid on. And we're just going to turn the dial now to steam, which is the second item. And it automatically comes up 15 minutes, so you know what? That's what I'm going with. And you just hit start. So again, it's going to cycle through and build up pressure in the pressure cooker. I love how you can touch it. It's not even hot. And this little red steam button's going to pop up, and that means it's fully pressurized. And so once it does its countdown of 15 minutes cooking, then I'll let it naturally release for 10 minutes. So be back in a minute. Hot diggity dog, it's time to eat up in here. I'm hungry. It is almost 8 o'clock. I got to eat. So we want to thank you for joining us on Cajun Cooking TV this Saturday night, where we made a sausage and lager stew with potatoes and carrots. It is awesome. I can't wait to dig in. If you'd like to see more recipes like these and videos, go to our website. It's CajunCookingTV.com. We have a cookbook available, and we also have links to some of the products that we've used tonight from my Pampered Chef collection. If you want to be sure and check out our next videos and be notified when they arrive, be sure to click the subscribe button and that bell notification. Till next time, thank you. Bye-bye.